Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be taking you along with some demo work that I'm doing. Doing some demo in a new space. Really excited about this space and I really kind of can't wait to share it with you. So without further ado, let's jump in. Before I go ahead and jump right into the demo work that I have planned for tonight, I wanted to give everyone a quick look around and show you what this new space is that I'm in. This is actually going to be my new shop. This was an awesome opportunity that popped up, something that I've always wanted, never actually had a full shop all to myself. But this is going to be it. This place is massive, much bigger than I need now, but has plenty of space to grow into it. Going to be something that's going to be a really fun project to renovate and get fixed up, and I am sure it's going to allow me to bring you guys some awesome new videos and some awesome builds. This particular place is basically stripped down at this point. That wall over there is a couple of bathrooms. There's a small kind of front, was a front office-y space that did have some sheetrock. Basically it was had a drop ceiling, and we do have a bit more ceiling up there. It's about an 18-foot ceiling, so the plan is to do a little bit of build out to better utilize that for some storage, and then keep the rest of it big and open for projects. So I'm in here tonight doing some demo work, and I finally have some lights hooked up as the power is essentially disconnected, pulled all the way back to the panel. And I'm going to start off by rigging up an exhaust fan just to help get some dust out of here before it settles. Then I'm going to start on taking down the rest of this drywall. This drywall is basically going to get removed, almost the entire section, because we do need to build up behind it for a bit of a structure so it can hold a small second story space for more storage. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right in. Went ahead and started the demo on this small closet over on the side of the shop. Behind this closet is the main water pipe that sticks up through the floor and feeds the entire building. I was a little bit extra careful in this area just to avoid any issues. There's quite a bit of water pressure in that main pipe there that comes in. When the demo is complete and back onto the build out phase, the plans are to build a bit of a bar structure around this area, because it's going to be in the open area of the shop, just to avoid any sort of issues in the future of vehicles or anything hitting it and causing a problem in our space as well as the other units in the building. Alrighty, so the demo work is going quite smoothly. I have actually almost all of it ripped out. This whole wall section, as you saw, came down past the front doors, and just really had this one last segment to go to rip the sheetrock out and take the studs on down. But used to be a HVAC unit popped through the brick wall over here, and as you can see, it was not sealed up very well. Quite a bit of a little mouse house going on over there, which is a little nasty, but we'll have to get that cleaned up as we continue on. So that wasn't too bad at all. All the metal studs there that were along the brick were all held on by basically those shot nails that use basically like just a 9mm shell all into the brick, and I just hit them all with an angle grinder just to not destroy any of the brick further when taking them off. But that should just about do it for a bit of the demolition that needed to happen still, to make way for some correct supporting studs to support a little bit of a second floor, for more, workspace, and mainly actually more storage space, at least at this point. So just have to think through that a little bit further and kind of finalize that plan. But it's a bit of a wide open clean space now to get some new material back in for more space. The next item on the demo list is these two bathrooms here. The larger one, which actually has a shower inside, which is kind of a nice add. Demo already started on that, and the smaller one, basically it's still all together. But after a little bit more planning, and given this, both these bathrooms are actually fully framed with just metal studs, a couple of the walls are going to have to come down and get reframed anyways, as they're now going to be holding some load from up above. So I'm going to go ahead and continue on with stripping these down. Basically they have the fixtures inside of them still, which are pretty old and beat up at this point, and I'm going to go ahead and rip that tile off the floor, so everything's just going to be a nice big clean concrete floor when we're done. But should be not too much more work here to get these cleaned out, but gonna jump on in. So as you can see, there's a bit of mold growth due to probably just some leaking water from either the ins or the drain over quite a while behind the bathroom sink there, which is kind of the main reason we decided to go ahead and gut these. You can see the vanity itself was quite absorbed and falling apart already, so we just wanted to get that cleaned out and put new drywall all in here, just to eliminate any sort of health concerns. And that's just going to about do it for the demo that I needed to do before I can go ahead and start the build out. And with that, I think I'm going to wrap up this video here. But be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have on the channel currently, and stay tuned for follow-up videos, as I'm going to do a bit of a series until this shop is ready to use. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.